Hey lovelies, are you looking for platforms where you can make or even more than that, monthly or weekly, depending on how consistent you are on the site? I got you covered on this video because on this video, I'm going to show you the name of the site, and I'm also going to show you a guide of how you're going to create your account on this website and start working on them. So if you have been struggling so hard financially and you've been looking for platforms where you can make some money to pay off some of your bills, I got you covered. And I also want to let you know that this site cannot take away all your bills, but at least it can pay off some of your bills. So if you are looking for websites like this, we are going right there right now. So if it's your first time spotting me, this is Emilia Davids, and on this channel, I share updates that really pay. And I will also be doing a lot of motivational speaking to motivate you into success. So if this sounds like something you would like to be listening to frequently, I want you to please help me hit that subscribe button, hit on the notification button as well, so that whenever I upload videos like this, I will tell YouTube to notify you before any other person. So right now, let's talk about the site. What are you going to be doing on this site? So on this site, all you really need to do is to give your opinions and you get paid. I know at this time, you will be asking yourself, how possible is this? Of course, it's possible. So I was just about going out when I got paid from one of the sites. And I said to myself, Amelia, why can't you hold on from where you want to go to and at least make this video for the sake of someone who needs sites like this to at least hit something small and take care of some of their bills. So right now, let's talk more about the site. So this site pays you for your opinions, like I said. So if you are worried if this is actually real, I'm a queen of payment proofs, you know. So let's watch the payment proofs so that you can be sure that this site actually pays. So watch it. Now that you have seen the payment proof and you can see that, of course, this site pays. Put your mind at rest. Let's talk about the site before I show you how you're going to create your account. You know, sometimes all these big companies, when they want to get feedbacks about their products, all they need to do is to put out questions about their products in websites like these ones I want to share with you. So all you and I need to do is to give our candid opinions about their products, and you get paid. For example, for those of you who are in Nigeria, let's say you've made use of Dangote products before. So let's take one of his products, for instance. Now you've used what's the name of his spaghetti? So let's say you've eaten Dangote spaghetti, and now Dangote needs feedback about his spaghetti in order for him to improve. So right now he's going to bring the questions for us, asking us, have you eaten Dangote spaghetti before? How was the taste? Do you think there's anything we should do to improve the quality of this product? So when you answer these questions, you give them feedbacks about these products, they're going to be paying you. And before you think they are doing you a lot of favor, they are not doing you a lot of favor, baby, because you're going to be giving them your opinion. You're going to be giving them your time to answer these questions. And these questions, when you answer them, your feedback helps them to improve in the quality of their products. So now that you have known about how these things work, let's talk about the things you need to answer these questions for these researchers. Number one thing you should know that you actually need is your device. It's either you have your mobile device, or you have your PC, that's your personal computer, or your laptop. So if you have any of these and you have your data and a strong internet connection, talk no more, you are already in for this. So now, once you are done giving your opinions, how are these people going to pay you? Payments can be through PayPal, and payments can be through Amazon gift cards and a lot more others. But for this site, they're going to be paying you with PayPal. So in case you don't have a PayPal account, you don't have to worry. Go ahead, watch this video, create your accounts and start working. Then as soon as I'm done posting this video, my next video is going to be how you can create your a working PayPal account in Nigeria. So I'm going to create that account for you. But first of all, start working on the site so that by the time I'm done posting the video on PayPal, you must have started earning from these sites. And then you can go ahead, create your PayPal account, link it to the site and get your payment. So now the first website we are starting from is called Respondent. So let's start from Respondent. So in respondents, researchers need your service. So when you give them your service, they are going to be paying you. So what service are you rendering to them? Like I already said, all they need is your opinion. Researchers need your opinion about their company products and so many other things. Do you get? So when you give them your opinion about their products, they are going to be paying you. So respondents can pay you as high as, let me say, $100, $60, $50, depending on the kind of survey you are taking or the kind of research you are doing. Researches or studies can pay you like $100 or even more than that. So I've made more than dollars from this respondent under a month. So if you look here, you see my payment proof from this respondent. That's to tell you that respondent is really paying. So you can see dollar from respondent. So in respondent, very, very easy to create your account. So now in respondents, all you need to do is to make sure your opinions are very honest. If you have used the product, give your honest reviews, give your honest feedback. So and if you really want to be taken very seriously as to be getting frequent studies or surveys to take on respondent, you have to ensure you link your LinkedIn profile. Get a LinkedIn profile. It's very easy to create a UK LinkedIn profile. Just go ahead, create your LinkedIn profile, link it to your respondent. And mind you, respondents accept majorly those in Canada, United Kingdom, and United States. So if you know your way around how to create these accounts, like some people use all of this stuff. So if you know your way around it, just go ahead, create your UK account or United or US account. But UK account pays more because they are going to be paying you in pounds. And you know that pounds when exchanged to Naira is a whole lot of money. So that is it. So make sure you link up your LinkedIn profile to your respondent account and make sure you fill your profile to 100%. Every question under your profile, make sure you answer all so that they will always know the kind of surveys or studies that will match with your profile. So now let's talk about the second website. So the second website pays a whole lot. I really recommend this site for you. In fact, I recommend the two for you. If you are struggling financially and looking for websites you can make reasonable amounts of money to cover your bills, especially when you are working from home, you don't have any other thing you are doing. These two sites, I especially recommend them for you because I use them to pay off a lot of my bills. So now let's talk about the second website, which is called. So Prolific is one of the sites that pays high. Like when we talk of survey sites that pay high, Prolific is my number one for now. I don't know for any other person, but for me, Prolific is my number one because I've had my students getting paid over dollars all from Prolific. I had another student make over $1 all from Prolific. But I want you to also know that the amount you make on this website depends on the effort you put in. So don't expect to make $4 as my students made if you didn't put in the effort. And I also want to let you know that the $4 was not made in 1 month. This, I think this was accumulation of 4 months earnings or thereabouts. So all you need to do is to make sure you are putting in the effort, and I can bet it with you that these websites are going to be paying you reasonable amounts. Like in Prolific, some studies can pay you $100, $200, $300 or more than that depending. So all you need to do is to make sure you create a strong profile. Fill your profile to 100% and also make sure that you are always going into the website frequently because your consistency has a lot of role to play in this website. So Prolific actually pays Nigerians, but the thing is that you don't expect to earn the same amount that someone in United Kingdom is earning. So if you are using a United Kingdom, you are going to be earning higher. So if you want to earn higher, make sure you are using either a Canadian Prolific, United Kingdom Prolific, or a United States prolific. So that's exactly how it works. Just put in your effort and these platforms are going to pay you reasonable amount, because there's nothing good that comes without you putting in the effort, and you're going to be earning. So to ease yourself of the financial struggles, make sure you are diving into these platforms to create your account. And if you have any issue, just let me know in the comment section and I'll be helping you out. This is where we'll be ending it today. And like I told you, I have somewhere I'm rushing to go to. So we're going to be seeing in my next video. Like I already told you, I will be helping you to create your PayPal account. So make sure you subscribe to this channel. Hit on the subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up. Share this video. By doing this, you are encouraging me to do more, and I'm going to be doing more to make sure I help everyone subscribe to this channel. So till I see you next time, I remain Emilia Davids. Ciao. See you next in my next video. So let me quickly rush to meet up with where I wanted to go to.